Eirwariro rya Rukunyu n'urutungo umubaro gw'abarwire bingi kandi okurugira hari umukuru w'eby'amagara okubura umwanya gw'abarwire kwikiramu bakajanjabwa kibire kirye kizibu cyango.
So when you see this hospital, the buildings that are there are small, they are old, dilapidated, and of course the population is growing. So the major issue here was and is still inadequate infrastructure. So this new ward is going to help us really address the issue of congestion in wards.
Ahabwembere Ministry y'Amagara kwatsira empatane n'Ekitongore cy'amahokwombeka eijanjabiro rw'abarwire kandi bina amasiko kwija kubongyera sente ezibikirizine ku bana bamarira omurimo ogu.
You would know the total cost of completing this project is about 1.4 billion. But last year government allocated 1 billion, of which out of that 1 billion, by the end of the financial year, only 900 was released. So to have the building completed with all its facilities and the external work, stone pitching and grassing all done, we need about 1.4.
We don't charge taxes. We don't, so, and these projects are force account, government to government. That's why you see our projects are relatively cheaper. Yes, discipline, we are not compromising, as you have seen all the members are testifying that we are the best people here. They have never had such a good building. You have seen it and you have heard from them. So
omurimo ogukatanduka omwaka oguhire kandi nukuza kwombeka omubichwe kabiri.
Omurimo tukagutandika n'abagambira tukagutandika 2015 by'okwamwenda 2025. That was planning, and then omurimo gwine tukagutandika 2015. Omurimo gwine kutwara umwaka gumwe ejo n'emyezi 12.
Tubire twine chete muninga nitwegomba ko bire no ikanka buhingo kireba buildings ninge bizimbe byawo oyebuzo kandi Rukunyuho kandi hospital abwache n'ibizimbe by'amaji. So at this government ya NRM kushangana tereza ebizimbe birungi.
Omurimo gwona nuguza kumara sente z'urukwingana biliyoni 1 na miliyoni 400 amakoraga gashakwa Anthony atwine